Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to do very cool things with your voice in Logic Pro. So you want to open Logic Pro, obviously start a new project or just use one of your old ones, select the software instrument, create the track. It's going to be, you're going to have a deluxe classic pre-selected piano. You hover over this button here and then you are looking for quick sampler, doesn't matter mono or stereo. Now here you come to the recorder bit, choose your input, record your message. This is a pre-recorded message. And then you can just change the pitch, the filter, up to you. After everything is done, press Command and the letter key. I keep saying the letter K on your keyboard to open the keyboard, and then to open the software keyboard, and then this is a pre-recorded. And that's it. If you have any questions, just pop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.